a brick bungalow in Chicago's northwest side and a ranch house 2 hours south in Peoria, same state, same insurance company, completely different prices. One homeowner pays $2,500 a year, the other pays $1,400. That's not a typo, and most people have no idea why. By the time this video is done, you'll understand exactly why Illinois insurance isn't one market, what actually drives your premium where you live, and the one foundation problem that'll blindside you if you're not ready. Illinois homeowners insurance averages about $1,400 to $1,900 a year statewide. But Chicago and the suburbs, you're looking at $1,800 to $2,500 or more. That gap exists because Chicago's got millions of homes that are 80 to 100 years old. Old electrical, old plumbing, old roofs. Every single one of those things raises your premium. Add in construction labor costs that are among the highest in the Midwest, and suddenly you're rebuilding a home that costs way more than the house next door in Peoria. Here's the good news. Tornadoes and wind damage, standard coverage in Illinois. The state's on the northern edge of Tornado Alley, and insurers have priced that risk in for decades. What catches people off guard is this. Coverage is there. But if your dwelling coverage is $300,000 and your home actually costs $380,000 to rebuild, you pay that gap yourself. Construction costs have jumped massively since 2020. If you haven't reviewed your coverage amount in 2 or 3 years, you need to do it right now. Takes 15 minutes. Could save you $50,000. This is the big one. Northern Illinois sits on expansive clay. Clay absorbs water and swells. It dries out and shrinks. Repeat that cycle for 30 years and your foundation cracks. Walls bow. Slabs shift. Standard homeowners insurance does not cover this. Not a single policy I see in my agency covers foundation damage from soil movement. It's called earth movement, explicitly excluded everywhere. Repairs run $10,000 to $80,000 depending on severity. There's no insurance product that covers gradual soil problems. Your only real tool is prevention. Gutters that discharge away from the foundation, proper drainage, keeping moisture consistent around the perimeter. The biggest mistake I see, people assume homeowners insurance covers everything related to their home. Then foundation work comes up, or they realize their rebuild cost estimate is way above their coverage limit, and suddenly they're out tens of thousands of dollars. That's the reality when you don't do an insurance to value review, or when you skip a foundation inspection on an older home. Don't be that person.